Listen to a teacher talking to her class about recycling. Today, I want to talk to you about recycling and why it is important for our environment. Many communities around the world are trying to reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. A landfill is a place where garbage is buried in the ground. When too much trash collects in one place, it can cause environmental problems, such as pollution and harm to wildlife. Recycling helps reduce this problem. When people recycle materials like paper, plastic, glass, and metal, these materials can be processed and used again to create new products. For example, recycled plastic bottles can be turned into clothing fibers, and recycled paper can be used to make notebooks or cardboard boxes. Another benefit of recycling is that it helps save natural resources. Many everyday items are made from materials that come from the earth, such as trees, oil, and minerals. When we recycle, we reduce the need to collect new raw materials. This means fewer trees need to be cut down and fewer natural resources are used. However, recycling only works when people sort their waste correctly. If recyclable items are mixed with food waste or other garbage, it can contaminate the recycling process. For instance, a pizza box covered in grease might not be accepted in some recycling programs. That is why many schools and cities provide separate recycling bins. These bins help people sort materials so they can be processed more easily. Last year, our school started a recycling program in the cafeteria. At first, many students were confused about where to place their items. But after teachers explained the system and posted clear signs, students quickly learned how to separate their waste. Now our school sends much less trash to the landfill. Recycling may seem like a small action, but when many people participate, it can make a big difference for the environment.